Oh no, it got worse. Please remind me, no boosted board riding in your favorite shoes ever. No boosted board riding in your favorite shoes ever. No. This is so gross. Rejuvenator, I need you to send me some more stuff. I moved. I don't have any of your stuff anymore. This is so bad. So Nike Fifth Avenue is the biggest Nike store, the giant Nike flagship store in New York City. They have a whole bunch of big releases there, like every single hype pair of shoes that comes out releases at Nike Fifth Avenue. Today I got several messages on Instagram that Nike Fifth Avenue is an absolute zoo and the cops are there and everyone's going insane. So, as a result, we are heading to Nike Fifth Avenue right now. I hope everyone's safe, but I also really hope there's a big fight, because big fights are just, they're fun.
It's the Jordans.
Which ones?
LSU OBJ Juniors.
Okay. You can clearly see there's no fight or no massive crowd. To be 100% fair, the messages came 35 minutes ago. Maybe I missed it.
What's your menu?
Yeah, could I get a number one meal, large sweet tea?
One meal, large sweet tea. Large fries too or no?
Yeah.
There are a lot of people in Chick-fil-A today.
Hi guys, it's Maya.
You a YouTuber, bro?
What's your YouTube?
Like any sauce, Tom?
Yeah, this is the Chick-fil-A sauce.
Chick-fil-A sauce, how many would you like?
Okay, let's talk about opportunity cost. Maybe not opportunity cost, maybe that's not the opportunity cost. In my apartment tour, by the way, thank you for all the support on me being here. I really do appreciate it. All the love in the city has been amazing. Lots of you guys, and mostly good intentioned, were saying, Tom, you could save $500 a month if you lived a couple subway stops out in Brooklyn or Queens. You don't need to be in Manhattan. I agree, I could save $500 a month on rent, but opportunity cost. Let's look at it, okay? Right now I have a boosted board. I don't need a monthly subway pass. A monthly subway pass, $130 a month, $132 a month, $135. I spend like $20 a month on the subway as a result of me having a boosted board, so that saves a ton. Right there, you're looking at $110 off of that potential $500 in savings. Works out to $390. Of that $390, let's say it takes an extra 20 minutes for me to get into the city if I'm in Brooklyn or Queens, which is 40 minutes a day. 24 hours a month saved for the low cost of $390. That's like $17 an hour, which is 1,000,000% worth it. So, what's up, man?
I'm seeing your videos.
Oh, really? I appreciate it. As I was saying, opportunity cost. Soho. Someone told me in the comments last week that Flight Club was in Soho. Flight Club is most definitely no of Ho. It's not so of Ho. Soho means south of Houston, which is a street spelled Houston, but New York calls it, I don't understand why, but they do. My friend is somewhere in the neighborhood working on pictures, editing video, something on his, he's doing some sort of work at a coffee shop. I'm gonna go see if I can find him. Someone dropped off a lot of pairs of shoes. Look at that, there's like 40 pairs of Yeezys and Jordan 11s behind me. Kudos to you, sir. That guy made a lot of money. I wanted to walk in here to look for one pair of shoes, which they do not have in my size. So that sucks. Being a size 12 is nice because they're cheaper, but it's also a lot harder to find a size 12 than it is to find a size 8. Sort of wish I was size 8. While we're here though, Okay, I haven't seen these yet. Let's check these out. To be 100% honest, I don't know. I mean, I guess these are men's sizes. These are definitely men's sizes, but this is part of the Fearless pack, right? I think, maybe, possibly. I don't know what I'm saying, but I love how these look. I mean, come on, how cool are these? There's just like different patterns, different materials, different color. It's a wild pair of shoes is what I'm trying to say. Like, just insane. I have no idea how much these cost. I don't know if I'd be able to wear them. Like, what do you wear these with? Do you wear these with corduroy pants? Me? I don't know what you would wear these with. But that being said, these things are dope. Plus all the employees here are super awesome. Shout out to that guy behind me. He's the best. Yeah, point being, these things are pretty sick. On top of that, every single time I see these things, I know these aren't hyped up, I know these are super easy to get. I might just go on StockX and get these for below retail, because every single time I see these, I'm like, damn, this is an amazing pair of shoes. It's so loud, it's so ridiculously bright, but they're so cool. I mean, how can you not love this pair of shoes? These shoes are incredible. This is why I should not go to stores and browse, because I've never ever seen these Air Forces in my life. This is a Black History Month pair of Air Forces. It looks like probably from the year the LeBron 9's came out. So that would be what, 2013, 2012? But these are, it's like weird off-white Frankenstein deconstructed stitching, crazy print on the, I've never seen these before. I don't know if it's a sample. Air Force One Low Premium Black History Month 20, yeah, okay, they came out in 2012. These are, I don't want to buy them. Yeah. Maybe I want to buy these. Advantage of living in New York, number 784. There are restaurants literally everywhere. Seriously, if I want to go walk to get food at 12:37 a.m. on a Friday night at home in Winnipeg, I have the options of Ken's Chinese restaurant down the block or Ken's Chinese restaurant down the block. There is not a lot of food options open late in winter. It's a travesty. Here is the complete opposite. There's too much food, there's too much temptation. I'm gonna somehow spend $2,000 a month on food at this rate. Ray's Pizza Restaurant. Haven't tried that one out yet. We'll see how it, I mean, it's pizza. It will be good.